The love laban to everyone for Pride Month ay kinansel dahil sa masamang panahon. The Love Laban to Everyone Pride Festival 2024 today, June 22, 2024 was cancelled, on which Bini willingly said yes to perform on this event in support of LGBTQ+ community. Vice Ganda is also part of this event. Juan Carlos, Ben and Ben, Cup of Joe, Glock 9, Marina Summers, Maris Racal, and others. Vice Ganda made an announcement regarding the update of Love Laban to Everyone, and sadly, kinansel na ito. Due to bad weather, di na ito itutuloy dahil di na safe for everyone. They were also sad by the news, but safety first must be prioritized. Today, this event and the rest of the performance cancelled. We just wait for Pride PH for update if it will be rescheduled sa mga natitirang performance that include Bini, Vice Ganda, and other artists. The Love Laban to Everyone started strong, colorful, proud, and loud. But sad to say, we cannot control the weather. We hope they rescheduled this event for fans, Bloom's LGBTQ+ community to enjoy this